Hi, I'm Robert Bullington, owner of Front Row Seat Productions, LLC. We provide audio-video sales, design, and support services to a wide array of clients, which include small businesses, performing arts organizations, and houses of worship. And I'm here today with my friend, Father Paul Jeans, at Trinity Episcopal Church in Princeton, New Jersey. Thank you for speaking with me today, Paul.
My pleasure. Good to be with you.
So what's interesting, is that we have friends. You and I have friends all over the diocese, all over the Diocese of New Jersey. Now, a friend of both of us, Father Kent Wally in Gladstone, he has an older infrastructure that was installed years ago. These same cameras that we're connecting with Ethernet cables to your computers directly here, they have the outputs that we can connect them with something called SDI. We can connect them to Kent's older systems, and we don't have to upgrade them until he feels like they've outlived their useful life. But we could take these same cameras and we could plug them into that older equipment, and it worked every bit as well as it does here, where you're having computer-based production, and we can simply network all of this stuff together and have the cameras appear on your computer.
Well, one of the things you mentioned is just about the versatility, the flexibility, the adaptability of the BirdDog system, because I think you said most of the churches you're working with are all running a different sort of production software, whatever
platform,
it is.
Platform.
Yeah. So we're all using these different platforms. You'd say, well, we have to change everything to get to the one BirdDog system. No, the BirdDog system is able to adapt, modify, flexibility to work with what we were already working with, which made it all that much easier. It was sort of a seamless transition in that way.
And we're in a time when video ministries have just taken on a bigger than anyone expected importance, right?
Well, yeah, of course. The COVID situation is really what got us started. We found ourselves all of a sudden not being able to worship together. We went for a while doing recordings with cell phone cameras.
Now, we always hope that these wonderful electronics, when they go out, they're going to be completely trouble-free. They're not going to give you any issues. There will never be any failures. But sometimes equipment gives us problems. And I know that you had some issues with your cameras that required you to go back to BirdDog support.
Yeah, well, so I've called them a few times, mostly because I was learning how to make adjustments. And the support was excellent, always responsive, got back. Send in the camera once, probably didn't need to. We thought we were having trouble with the PoE power going into the camera. And that's, by the way, another great thing about it. We can power the camera over the same wire that we send the signal over. As it turned out, I think probably it was a cable on our end, not the camera. But the important point is we shipped that off express mail because we're in between services now.
Right.
And BirdDog turned it around very quickly for us.
That's wonderful.
We're very grateful for that.